Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and opening the right menu. Make sure your phone has enough battery and is unlocked. Then open Settings and go to Connections or Network and Internet. Once there, tap Wi-Fi to see available networks. You need to tap the connected network or the network you control. This accesses its details and options. Doing this puts you directly into the interface where the device name and network settings live, so you can change the mobile name used on Wi-Fi. Now edit the device name that the router broadcasts on the network. In the Wi-Fi details, look for device name, edit name, or advanced settings. Tap it and type a clear new name. Use letters, numbers, and hyphens if spaces are restricted. Once you input the name, press Save or Apply. Make sure to confirm any prompts to reconnect. Some routers or Android skins require a reconnection for the new name to appear. This ensures other devices see the updated mobile name on the network. Finish by verifying the change from another device on the same network. Open its Wi-Fi list and look for your new device name. If you do not see the update, restart the phone's Wi-Fi or toggle airplane mode to force a refresh. Make sure to reboot the router if the name remains unchanged. Clearing the phone's Wi-Fi cache or forgetting and rejoining the network also helps. If problems persist, check for software updates or a device name setting in the router's admin panel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.